Good morning to everyone. Today we have to do the several questions. So let's start it. The first question is a shark is 762 meter below the sea level. I am drawing the diagram, you can see. Let us say this is the sea level and the shark is 762 meter below the sea level. Let us say this is the shark and it is 762 meter below the sea level. Next line written, it rises 412 meter, means it goes upper side and move towards there, and distance between this is given to us 412 meter, and then dives 125 meter. Dives means goes downside. Now the shark is firstly here, now it goes downside 125 meter. We want to calculate how far is it from the sea level, means I want to calculate the distance between this and this point. I am repeating the full statement. A shark is 762 meter below the sea level, means the distance between this and this is 762. After some time it rises 412 meter, means it goes upper side 412 meter. And then dives. Dives means goes downside. Means firstly the shark is here and now it goes downside 125 meter. And we want to calculate how far is it from sea level. Means I want to calculate the distance between these two lines. Now what to do? In your fair notebook, just write from this line to this line fully. A shark is 762 meter below the sea level. It rises 412 meter and then dives 125 meter. And then write according to question. And then write distance between. We want to calculate distance between sea level and shark. Sea level and shark. Now see. A shark is 762 meter below. Below word is written, below means downside, and for the below word we put negative sign, means here minus 762 plus. Okay, we will see after that plus sign is there or minus sign is there. The sea level. It rises 412 meter. Rises means move upper side. That means the sign is positive, that is 412. And then dives. Dives means goes downside. Again the sign is negative, minus 125. Get it? Now we have to solve it. Now see. Firstly solve these two numbers. That is completely your choice, that you want to solve first two or last two. That is up to you. But I am solving now this. So that means here one is with negative sign and one is with positive sign. That means we have to subtract it, and I am subtracting. 350, and sign is that which is with greater number. Who is greater? 762 is greater, and with 762 negative sign is there. So that means here also the sign is negative. And next statement write it as it is. Now both are with negative sign, both signs are same, that means we have to add. So that means this is our answer. Get it? So that means here this negative sign indicates that the shark is downside the sea level, means shark is under the water, shark is not at the upper side of the sea level. This negative sign indicates this much. So at the end we will write a line. Shark is 455 meter below the sea level. I hope you understood. Now see the next question. The temperature of the city recorded at midnight on the last day of 4 consecutive months. Wait, the temperature of the city means we want to calculate the temperature. Recorded at midnight. Midnight means at near about 12 o'clock during night. On the last day of 4 consecutive months. Months are, let us say, January, February, March and April. 4 consecutive months written. I have also written 4 consecutive months. Consecutive means side by side. No, we can't able to take one month January and other month April. Means we have to take serial wise. On the last day means on the last day of January it is recorded, on the last day of February it is recorded, on the last day of March and on the last day of April it is recorded. And these temperatures are recorded on the last days of these months. And our question is find the difference between maximum and minimum temperature. We want to calculate the difference between maximum and minimum temperature. Maximum means greatest and minimum means smallest. So I am writing maximum temperature means greatest. I am writing this just for explaining you. Now you tell me one word is minus 11 plus 5 minus 8 and plus 15. Negative integers are not greatest. Positive integers are always greatest. And now here two numbers are with positive sign. One is 5 and one is 15. You tell me 5 is greater or 15 is greater. Obviously, 15 is greater. So that means the maximum temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. Now minimum temperature. Minimum temperature means smallest. No need to write it here. Now see, we know this thing. Negative integers are smallest. And one more thing we know, the integers which seems to us greatest, actually that are smallest. Now see, minus 11 minus 8. 11 seems to us greater. But actually we know this thing which seems to us greater, actually that integer is smallest. That means here minus 11 degrees Celsius is smallest. So get it? Now see, we have to calculate the difference. When we calculate the difference now, always we subtract greater from smallest. Okay? Means if anybody has given to you 10 candies and to your brother 5 candies, so the difference is 10 minus 5. Get it? Means we always have to subtract greater number from the smallest number. Means firstly we have to write greater number upper side, downside we have to write smallest number. Here also firstly we have to write maximum minus minimum temperature. Here we know maximum temperature is 15 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature, minus sign is firstly written, that's why I have written. Now the minimum temperature is minus 11, so that I have to write like this way. 15 degrees Celsius minus we know this thing, minus plus 11 degrees Celsius. So that is 26 degrees Celsius, that is our answer. I hope you understood.